can you come help Mommy? Good job getting up there. Look, here's some of your paint. Can you do it? Look. Can you rub it in? Rub it in. Good job. Go on. You almost did it. Come on, Connor. Hey, buddy. Connor, look. Mommy's going to do it. You and your silly smock that Mama made you wear. Yeah, come on. You can do it. Do it. Oh, good job. Come on. Connor, come here. Hey, buddy. I know it's on your fingers. You're supposed to play with it. Connor, hey, buddy. Yeah, you hear an airplane? The wind's blowing. Yes, there is an airplane. You're exactly right. Yes. Come here. Look. Can you get some more of this? Connor, look. We got all kinds of fun stuff to paint. Yeah. Airplane. Look. You're supposed to make a mess. I don't know that I'm supposed to encourage this, but... No, we got it taped down, honey. Okay. Well, guess we don't have it taped down anymore. Connor, we were going to make some finger paints. Your mom's not very good at getting this coordinated, is she? Okay. Connor, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I love you. Oh, that was very... Oh, you got paint on your face.